Okay, with no further ado, subway number 2 in one day for Welcome Break. Really proud. John and his team have done a great job training us. We've got a lot of support from Andy and the local guys, and also from Andrew in the training department with our team. And with no further ado,
Go on, Thomas, mate.
Go on, Tom.
ready?
Yeah.